Do you want full access to YouTube Studio on your phone without using the app? In this video, I'll show you how to open the desktop version of YouTube Studio on mobile and get access to advanced features that are missing in the app. Let's start from the beginning. Open a web browser on your phone. You can use any browser you like, but in this example, I'm using Brave. Tap on the address or search bar and type YouTube Studio. From the search results, tap on the first link that says studio.youtube.com. A new screen will open, suggesting that you switch to the YouTube Studio app. Instead of opening the app, tap on Continue to Studio. If you are already logged into your Google account, the desktop version of YouTube Studio will load automatically. Here, you can access your dashboard, analytics, content, comments, and all other tools normally available on the desktop website. Now I'll go back to the search results to show you an alternative method. If the desktop version doesn't open properly, long press on the link studio.youtube.com and select Open in New tab. Then switch to that new tab in your browser. You'll see that the YouTube Studio desktop website opens correctly. The main advantage of using YouTube Studio Desktop on mobile is that you get more detailed analytics, better control over content, and access to advanced settings that are often limited or hidden in the mobile app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.